Hi guys, welcome to the third video on Tkinder. In this video you will learn how to create an entry widget in Tkinder. Let's start. First import Tkinder. Next create a window. I will give it a name as root. Next add a loop, so that the window will appear. It is called main loop. Next let's create the entry widget. I'll give it a name as my_entry. And we have to pack the widget so that it appears in the window. Let's run the code. This is the entry box. You can type anything here. Let's bring the entry box a bit down. See that? The box is going down a bit.